You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature.
Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Thanks for stopping by today. It is the third video in this series for KidDoughs from E.G.K.D. I want to thank them for sending this to me to send to you, no, to show you on video that they sent to me. Well, I'm not sure what I'm thanking them for. Oh, for sending this to me to show you on video. The Elf Breakfast Kid Dough Play Kit. I saved this one for last because it looked pretty fun. I mean, they're all fun, but I like the little plush. There's like a little stuffed elf in there. It says, make a delicious holiday breakfast with your elf buddy. Scented. Play with purpose. And I've gone over all of this, but the packaging is a green top and bottom, a clear open window in the middle so you can see everything that's in there, and then little streamers, and then candies on the top, and then the back gives you all of their information and their text here. Well, let's read it again. Designed by moms and approved by kids, every sensory dough play kit is filled with magic. Each dough is handcrafted with love and the finest natural ingredients, making it the softest, smoothest, and most pliable dough you have ever played with. I'm going to have to agree with that. Our whimsical play kits were made to engage your child's sensory needs while building motor skills and inspiring imagination. And they do inspire imagination. And you can read all those. I've read them. I think I've done 4 or 5 kits from them already. And here we go. Let's get into it. I see Hershey's, a plastic bottle, little M circles, marshmallows, a candy cane. This is all plastic, by the way. And some kind of extruder. Don't know what it is yet. Let us just... I don't necessarily want to destroy the front packaging, so I'll have to just cut from the back. Make a little incision, and then across the top. I know, defeats the purpose, but I'll tape it back up. Okay, so there's the extruder piece. So it looks like spaghetti. I think that's what it's going to make. Noodles. And then there's this bowl, which they have sealed in plastic to hold all of the different accoutrements in there. Okay, we'll dig through that. There's some raffia, yellow raffia in that. Protecting it all. Here's your little elf buddy. Does he stand? Ooh, his legs actually move. He stands. Okay, that's it. And then here is your dough. And it's scented sensory dough. What was the scent? Okay, Kid Dough Play Kit. Make a dough delicious holiday breakfast with your elf buddy. Scented. What's the scent? Let us see. Now, a lot of times they have it stamped. They do. E.G.K.D. The scent is maple syrup, or that's what it smells like. Something of that sort. Almost like a maple nut goodie. Have you ever had maple nut goodies? That's what it smells like. There's a Christmas colored candy corn. White, green, and red. There's a small candy cane. There's an M, another M, and then a larger plastic candy. That's all stuck in the dough that you have to work your way out to get. Okay, and it is very soft and squishy and pliable and easy to work with. And I'll tell you now, it's a very strong scent. And it transfers to your hand, so you know. And I'm thinking the last video, the cocoa one, it might have transferred color to my hand. I haven't gone live with that video. I'll have to relook at it. Could have just been the temperature. Oh, here's the back. Candy cane, candy canes, candy corns, and syrup. Kid dough. Okay, so here's the little cereal bowl, we'll call it. A larger candy disc. This is soft, so it's not a hard plastic like that. And this also seemed to be a softer plastic. The larger candy cane is also softer. You can bend it. There's the little bottle with the cork. There is another candy corn, which is a hard plastic. This little bottle of Canadian, it's got a Canadian leaf syrup. And then a Hershey's chocolate. 4 marshmallows. Okay. And then let's take this yellow raffia out. It's a nice bowl. It's feels like it's called tablecraft. Like a plastic, hard plastic. All right, let's see. Let's get this going here. Let's make our noodles. We're going to start with the noodles. Okay, here we go. Look. Ooh, what do I cut this with? I'll have to use one of these little discs or a tool. I don't want to use a tool that doesn't come with the kit. All right, let's turn this down. And I will extrude another one for you, because that's definitely not enough. All right, here we go. Are you ready? Are you ready? Here we go. Whoa, okay. It slipped right out. It sounds good too as it squishes out. Let's see if we can get another squishy sound. Ooh, stand. Here we go. Squishy sound. Ooh, I like that. All right, there's a nice big bowl of spaghetti. We're going to put some candies in there. You going to like that, Elf buddy? A candy corn. Another candy corn. A couple marshmallows. We'll put this on the top. And then another circular. Ooh, come back. Come back. You got to eat. Stand. Stand. Fall. Fall. And let's sprinkle on some of these little M's. Look at that. Of course, we got to pour some maple syrup on it. I mean some hot chocolate. I mean some chocolate. Now the maple syrup. Let's see. Little elf fell over. Come back, little elf. Will he sit? No, his legs bend backwards. Okay, will he kneel? No. He'll sit like that, though. His head turns. His arms go up. Okay, he's doing some exercises. 1, 2, 1, 2. There we go. There we go. Will you stay right here? Oh, 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 oh no. His little puffy hat came off. Some more glue. We need glue. There, we'll have to put it over his eyes. He looks cuter that way. Okay, so sitting's not going to work either. You're just going to have to stand and be patient. There, good job. No, look at that beautiful creation. That should get a photo with the elf next to it. That would be a good thumbnail. There, he's hanging on to his bowl. Let's clear all this out. There, let's zoom in. Let's turn his head this way. Okay, here's your photo op, elf. Let's snap a picture. Photo. I'm taking a photo, and now I'm going to size it into the thumbnail. Okay, it's still processing. Capturing, it's called on my camera. Capturing, capturing, capturing. Okay, photo taken. I would say, generally speaking, it's probably one of the funnest of the kits because of making the little noodles. Now, you got to take your dough out. And now you could play with it. And you could play with all the stuff inside of it, too, now. And you could squish it. And see. And find things. That's what I like about it. If you like finding little things in dough, this is perfect for you. And you like picking and making things perfectly clean the way it originally was, then this is it. Okay, I'll leave some of the small ones and I'll take the big pieces out. Okay, so I can't squish this dough now with the stuff in it, but I can squish more of the stuff I have off to the side. So you just do a little cleaning here. That's another good thing. Look at that. It comes right out. You know how sometimes it's hard to get the dough out of little spaces? Just a little bit of pressing. Press and pull, press and pull. Works great when you're in school. No, when you're in a video, press and pull, press and pull. Here from sideways. Added sound effects are extra. Okay, one more big lump. Here we go. Actually, two more big lumps. Get in there. There, this one's going to be really good. We'll do it like this, though. All right, here we go. There's just something about that squishy sound as it's going through. Now, you're going to have to be careful using the extruder if there's stuff in it, because it will not go through those holes and you're going to have blockage. And we don't want blockage when we're extruding our spaghetti. There. I've extruded it all. No more extruding. Will you stand on the dough? Oh, yes. He's playing in the dough now. Time to eat. It's a video of sound effects. Look at that. All right. What do you think of this set? What do you think of all the sets? Which is your favorite? I've done 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 sets now. I would like to know. I should make a playlist just for these sets so that you can go click on it. I'll do that. So if you want to watch just these sets, I'll give them their own playlist. I'll do that before this video goes live, and then I'll go back to all the other videos and put the playlist there for anybody learning about these products. And again, the scent will transfer to your hands, and I think the cocoa one might have just given me a little bit of coloring on my hand. I'm going to review that, and I'll talk about it there. Either way, what do you think? Let me know in the comment section. It is the Elf Breakfast Kid Dough Play Kit, and it smells like maple nut goodies, which they don't make anymore. No, forget it. I've talked about it already on other videos in the past. Yeah, very pliable and very soft. You can make shapes and cookies. I made a cookie kit. Remember that? The cocoa kit. The magical kit. Already on video. And there you go. And thanks for watching, everybody. I'll always put the information in the description. Any little extra stuff, I don't know what I was going to say there, but I'll always put the information that I can in the description. If I miss something in the video, if I want to add more information, but there'll be links to their website where you can find where to get these in the description area. I'm trying to clean this out now. I feel like I must clean. Clean, 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 clean. You know what they say? You got time to lean, you got time to clean. Later. If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.